If you've just upgraded to Ubuntu 26.04 or any new Linux distro and you're trying to create a Windows 11 bootable USB, you've probably come across WoeUSB. Unfortunately, that's exactly where I ran into problems. I tried installing WoeUSB, but it failed because of Python dependency issues, specifically with WX-Python and Ubuntu's newer Python version. After spending quite a bit of time trying different fixes, I decided to use another solution that worked immediately, Ventoy. In this video, I'll show you how to install Ventoy on Ubuntu 26.04 or any Linux distro and use it to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive in just a few minutes. To download Ventoy, click on the link that will take you to the SourceForge page. On the source page, click on the link that will take you to the latest version of Ventoy. Here, download the tar.gz file. Right-click the downloaded archive and choose Extract here. After extraction, open the newly created Ventoy folder. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find several executable files. If you're running a 64-bit version of Ubuntu, which most users are, simply double-click the Ventoy GUI.x86_64 file to start the Ventoy application. It is saying Ventoy in device because I have installed Ventoy before on this flash drive. Before installing Ventoy, you need make sure the USB device is plugged in, and you also need to identify the correct USB device. Ventoy automatically detects connected USB drives. After that, just click on Install to install Ventoy to the USB flash drive. Installing Ventoy to the wrong drive could erase another disk, including your Linux installation. After a few seconds, Ventoy will be successfully installed. Unlike traditional tools, Ventoy doesn't write one ISO directly to the USB. Instead, it prepares the USB with its own bootloader. After that, all you need to do is copy ISO files onto the USB like you would copy normal files. This means you can store multiple operating systems on one flash drive. After the Windows 11 ISO is done copying, wait a few minutes, then safely eject the USB drive. Insert it into the computer where you want to install Windows. Open your computer's boot menu and select the USB drive. Instead of booting directly into Windows Setup, you'll first see the Ventoy menu. From here, select your Windows 11 ISO and press Enter. Ventoy loads the ISO and starts the standard Windows installer. And that's how you can create a Windows 11 bootable USB on Ubuntu 26.04 using Ventoy. Although I initially intended to use WoeUSB, Ventoy turned out to be faster, easier, and much more flexible. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.